Hello and welcome to Spain. I'm Marian and I am thrilled to guide you through this beautiful country, rich in culture, history, and unforgettable sights. So for our first destination is the Sagrada Familia. So the Sagrada Familia began to construct in 1882 and is still under construction. So this basilica is a marvel of architecture and devotion. Did you notice that the three facades, the Nativity, Passion, and Glory, each facade represent the moments in Christ's life. Inside the column branch like trees, the stained glass cast beautiful, ever-changing colors. Enjoy this unique blend of nature, light, and spirituality. Did you know that Sagrada Familia was estimated to be finished in 2025? So for our next destination is the Royal Palace of Madrid. So the Royal Palace of Madrid is one of the most largest palace in Europe, built in the 18th century, and today it is used for ceremonies by the Spanish royal family. So for our last destination is the Palma Cathedral, Mallorca. So the cathedral, also known as Lasu, one of the Mallorca's most famous landmarks. Construction began in 1229 after King James I of Aragon conquered Mallorca, and it was completed in 1601. So Lasu is known for its magnificent Gothic style with one of the tallest naves in Europe. Thank you for all joining me on this journey through Spain. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the rich history, incredible architecture, and vibrant culture that make this country so unique. From the majestic cathedrals to royal palace, each stop has been a glimpse into Spanish amazing heritage. As you continue exploring or head back home, I hope the memories and stories from today will stay with you. Gracias and safe travels until your next adventure.